From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish. The history of Thailand and its iconic red curry is a story of convergence, a gradual and beautiful simmering of disparate ingredients, techniques, and influences into a dish that proudly defines a national cuisine. Its journey mirrors the broader historical currents of the kingdom itself, from ancient self-sufficiency to cosmopolitan exchange and refined cultural identity. The deepest foundations of Thai red curry lie not with the curry paste itself, but with the bowl that grinds it, the stone mortar and pestle. For centuries, the communities inhabiting the river basins and coastal regions of what is now Thailand utilized these tools to create flavorful relishes known as krueng. These early pastes were likely simpler combinations of local ingredients like shallots, garlic, lemongrass, galangal, and shrimp paste, pounded together to be eaten with rice and fish. The central culinary principle of balancing flavors, hot, sour, salty, sweet, and bitter, was already deeply ingrained in the local foodways, a philosophy that would later perfectly accommodate the complex spices to come. The single most transformative chapter in this history began in the 17th century with the flourishing of the Ayutthaya Kingdom, a magnificent and cosmopolitan trading hub. It was through bustling international ports that significant cultural exchange occurred, most profoundly with the Persian and Indian merchants and the courts of the neighboring Khmer Empire. From these connections came the introduction of dried spices, coriander, cumin, cardamom, and most importantly, a variety of dried chilies from the Americas, which had been brought to Asia by Portuguese and Spanish traders. The Thai palate, already accustomed to pungency from native peppercorns, enthusiastically embraced the chili's fiery heat. This period saw the adaptation of Indian and Persian spice-based cooking methods into existing Thai culinary traditions, creating a new category of dishes, the Gaeng or curry. The creation of a specific red curry required not just chilies, but a particular type. The development likely involved the use of long, large red spur chilies, prick chiafa, which were valued less for their extreme heat and more for their vibrant color and fruity flavor. By drying these chilies and pounding them into a paste with the other imported spices and native aromatics, the foundational Krueng Gaeng Phet, spicy curry paste, was born. The color itself became a key identifier in the Thai culinary system, distinguishing it from the earthier green curry made with fresh green chilies and the milder, shallot-heavy yellow curry. The dish truly evolved into its modern form in the 19th century, particularly during the reign of King Rama II and the establishment of Bangkok as the capital. This was an era of great cultural consolidation and artistic refinement. The royal court became a center of culinary innovation, where recipes were perfected and recorded. It was here that the rich, creamy component of coconut milk was integrated into the curry-making process, softening the heat of the paste and creating the luxurious, emulsified texture that defines the dish today. The choice of proteins, whether freshwater fish, chicken, beef, or shrimp, and the accompanying vegetables like Thai eggplant, bamboo shoots, and basil leaves were added to simmer in the fragrant coconut broth, creating a complete and harmonious meal. In the 20th and 21st centuries, as Thailand opened to the world, Thai red curry became an international ambassador for the nation's cuisine. Its balance of fiery heat, creamy coconut, herbal brightness, and a hint of sweetness from added palm sugar proved irresistible to a global palate. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to restaurants in cities across the globe, the sight of a steaming bowl of Gaeng Phet. In the 20th and 21st centuries, as Thailand opened to the world, Thai red curry became an international ambassador for the nation's cuisine. Its balance of fiery heat, creamy coconut, herbal brightness, and a hint of sweetness from added palm sugar proved irresistible to a global palate. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to restaurants in cities across the globe, the sight of a steaming bowl of Gaeng Phet, garnished with fresh basil, has become synonymous with the vibrant and sophisticated flavors of Thailand. Thus, the history of Thai red curry is the history of Thailand on a plate. It is a testament to a culture that has always looked outward, absorbing foreign influences, be they spices, techniques, or ingredients, and masterfully blending them with native wisdom to create something uniquely and proudly its own. It is a dish that embodies the Thai genius for balance and refinement, a delicious legacy of the kingdom's rich and complex past. The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.